After we consult the students, we release at least a week to the students para mabasa nila ang Constitution. And then, whatever comments sa mga students, gin-deliberate namin. Gintugang namin kung necessary. And then, pag okay na, we do plebiscite. Sa plebiscite, nagpakas kami vote, do you want to approve the Constitution and bylaws of the UCUSG? Mga muna. Tapos, may yes ka or no. Tapos, yung total naman, kaya nga sa Constitution naman, ang manner of accepting or in order for us to amend our Constitution is dapat it is 3/4 votes of the total students who voted or the total 3/4 of the total votes of those students who casted their votes. Kumbaga, for example, di ang nag-vote lang, ang population naman sa Talisay is 6, mga maximum, pero mga mostly 5,000. Ang nag-vote, 1,000 lang. Ang ako ng determiner is, from 1,000, i-compare naman, 1,000 ang nag-yes, 50 ang nag-no. So, i-compute ninyo, 50 over 1,000, majority yapon. 3/4 naman. So, 3/4 is pila? 75%. So, approve ang Constitution. I-apply sa mga students. Tama sa. So, that is a